Baby, you are so sweet. People know could so sweet.
I know, really. I know.
I want to tell you something.
What is
You are the sweetest girl I've ever tasted in my full life.
Ah, really?
Yes, now.
Anyway, I'm not surprised. I'm a very sweet girl. Sweet galato.
Huh?
Oh, you don't know. I'm glad you are confessing it now.
Huh?
I don't want to see you with all those girls, so...
No, now. Why would I be that?
Alright.
But baby, I want to say something.
What is it?
Hope you are not going to the palace tomorrow. I don't want to see you there. Oh.
For the competition?
Yes,
no,
now.
Nah. What will I go there to do? That stupid competition. I'm not interested in marrying the prince, so... Okay, imagine a world in that palace. It will be so boring now. I won't have time to come and see my bobo.
But babe,
my sweet bobo.
You know that the prince is very rich. He might use money to entice you now and you leave me.
Baby, are you seeing yourself? My baby is on the moon. No, now I'm not going anywhere. I'm with you, okay? You don't have to worry, baby.
Oh,
I'm with
baby.
you. I'm with you for life, baby.
Oh, baby.
I'm with you. Aww.
When are we going to
You love
enjoy
it.
again?
I know you
When are we
love
going
it.
again? When are we going to?
Don't worry. We'll go maybe tomorrow when my mother goes to the farm. I'll come again.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Yes, now. Baby, me, tabu gaba.
Baby.
We love it.
Yes,
I warned you about the mean things you do for this girl. You just made yourself so cheap and floor yourself. That's why she does not value you at all. That girl does not value you one bit. How can a married woman go out there to contest with a single girl over the prince of Aluku? A married woman married to you. What kind of disrespect is that?
Mama May, I thought being humble, loving her and being submissive to her will make her realize how much I love her, and then she will respect me. This is what I thought. Hey, Mama, what have I not done for her?
Just listen to yourself. Submissive. Where did you hear that a man is supposed to be submissive to a woman? Even in the Bible, it is written that a woman should be submissive to a man, not the other way around. When I talk to you, you don't listen to me. I don't understand. Eh? What kind of stupid love is this? What kind of love is this? You say you love her. There were so many other ways you would have loved that girl. There were so many other ways you would have shown her that you love her, apart from making yourself so worthless, so foolish, so valueless before her. Eh? It's because of that she has the guts to contest with other girls.
I just want to make her happy.
You want to make her happy?
It's just to make my wife happy. That is what I want.
Hey. See, let me tell you, you have to live up to your expectation as a man. Live up to your status as a man if you want this girl to respect you. I am telling you, if you don't do that, the worst is still on the way. The worst is still on the way. She will do worse.
Mama, no. There is no way I will leave my wife for another man. There is no way. This is what I am going to do. I will go and report her to her mother. Yes. Because why would she treat me this way now?
Mom, you gotta report her to their mother.
Yes.
Report her to her mother. Good luck, you know. Good luck. You are reporting her. I don't want to say anything about it. You want to report her to her mother. See, let me tell you. The best thing for you to do now is to step up your game in this relationship. Be the man. Don't allow her to treat you the way she has been treating you. This girl beats you, you will not say anything. She talks to you anyhow, you will not say anything. She insults you, you will not say anything.
Mama, I'm not supposed to beat my wife.
You're not supposed to beat her, but you're not supposed to allow her to beat you either. Eh? I don't know that if they give birth to a boy, let him be a boy. Eh? If they give birth to a man, man. You're going to cry because of a woman. See, you are crying.
Not.
Crying will not solve this problem. Being a man, be responsible for your family is what is going to solve this problem. Report on. I know it will not yield anything positive. I'm sure. See how beautiful you're looking in this dress. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see how the press will resist this attitude. today. No, ma. Thank you. I promise I will make you proud.
I know, and that is how I am proud of you. Let me see how the prince is going to resist this beauty today. Do you see the way you're rocking?
Hey.
Eh? The backside is bouncing.
Hey, mama.
On a feliwe like football.
Hey,
Eh?
thank you.
Wakigo, hope you have that charm. It's inside. Hey, before I forget, this hair you collected from that girl that came back from the city.
Hey, my friend now.
Don't play with it.
I won't.
I don't have money to replace it. I don't have. Oh.
Yeah, she said I should return it after everything.
Once the prince chooses you, remove this wig. Hide it inside here so that you can bring it back.
Okay, mama.
No,
ma, I've heard you. And I promise, I will make you proud. Yes, you would be proud of me.
I trust you. Omale-chan,
Come now, mama.
Nemgolibe.
How do I look?
You look sumptuous. Rokwe. May the gods of our land bless you. May they keep you. May they show you favor and mercy. In fact, all those other dry girls that will come, the prince will look at them.
I'm very sure.
The gods of our land will blind them. You're running late. Yes, ma'am. Hey! Oh no, for what am I shin? My shin! My shin! Ogene.
Good afternoon. Ma, good afternoon.
Afrom Gay, what is this? What are you doing here now?
Mama, it is my wife. It is my wife. I have come to report her to you.
Oga, please, I don't have time for this nonsense. My ears are itching for good news. I'm not in one time. I'm waiting for time more. Odoro. Iko bago korobada. Ako ndineri nse.
Mama, why would my own wife participate in the ceremony going on at the palace so that the prince can choose her to become his wife? Mama,
it is obvious you are not doing your duties well. Or you are not giving her the reason to stay in the marriage with you. Otherwise, why would she be planning to leave you for the prince? Amen.
Mama, I do virtually everything for her. Anything she asks me to do, I do it for her. I wash her clothes, even her pants, her bra. Mama, she asks me to, if she asks me to wash her plate all night, I do it for her all night.
At your age, you're washing plates.
I want to make her happy.
It is not stupidity.
Mama, it's love.
Love them. Wokem, I told you earlier, I don't have time for this nonsense. My ears are itching to hear good news. I am not interested in hearing a Peter Biko. Sibempo, go!
Mama, please help me.
Hey, I thought somebody was coming.
Mama.
Go now, it does it look like the palace. Now look around. This house, does it look like a palace? She went to the palace. You now decided to come and meet me. Where you have chance and things are easy for you to talk. Why don't you go to the palace and compete with the prince? Why are you here? Eh? Because I'm a Biko. Is it not for you to go and drag your wife out of the place and go home? In a baby Maranora, where you shout on because
Sorry. Thank you.
Run and leave. Don't close that gate where that they will not be able to open it when they want to come in. Let's go down, stop it.
Thank you so much, my wonderful people of our local kingdom.
A very beautiful king.
3 kosa for Igwe.
Boza! Igwe, you are not a beautiful boy.
Thank you so much, my people. Onyoja, I commend you. Your king. Permit me. Your king is not truly too strong. But today, my people, the king of our local kingdom is happy. My son, rise, the prince of this kingdom.
Prince.
Nyagu 3 kosa for the prince wey sabi.
Boza!
Prince, dira my son.
You are not a beautiful prince.
Dira my son.
Hey!
Thank you so much, my people. Today, out of the beautiful maidens of our local kingdom, my son, the prince of this kingdom, is going to choose a bride out of the lots. I can see them. Beautiful maidens never been touched by man. Beautiful.
Beautiful maidens.
Wonderful. Now, at the count of 0. Is it okay? I'm all right. At the count of 0, the dancing competition resumes. And at the end, I believe that the gods of our land will direct my son, the prince of this kingdom, to pick a bride out of this beautiful maiden's presence here. Aluku kwenu. Muonu. Zonu. Umunu zukwa unu. Let the competition begins. Sit, my son.
say what you're holding. You're going today. I will say what you're... She's holding something. No. You are holding something.
What happened, my son?
He just left us outside and entered inside here without saying any word to the maidens.
Of all the maidens present here today, I didn't see any one of them suitable for a bride.
What? Anna, what are you saying? You mean the whole maidens that assembled here today, you couldn't find one? Not even one?
What do you mean? All these beautiful maidens here today, different shapes, different sizes. You were not able to pick one.
Mother, there's something you must understand here. That it's not all about beauty. No. For me to consider a woman for a bride, there are certain things I put into consideration. Top on the list is the fact that my heart has to be in conformity with hers. And as far as I'm concerned, of all the maidens present here today for the selection procedure, I found no one suitable for a bride.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Nobody did hear that.
Hi! What a wasted effort for us. Upon all this, our beauty, dancing and everything, the prince couldn't pick any of us.
Maybe he's a gay.
Amarachi.
Oh, it can be true. I mean, which right young man will see this beauty and shape and say he couldn't find a bride in us? He's not looking for a bride. It is obvious.
Are you saying that he assembled us just to waste our time?
It is obvious, my dear.
Amarachi.
They are only forcing him to get married. He's not ready to get married. They are forcing him.
Amara.
Yes.
Amara. Nekwa bom. Koko nwa kuye di n'imi ya. Awa apụọ m. So gi solu mo so gi
Telling you the truth now, you're there telling me awa. Awa na.
It's okay, my beautiful.
Mama, it's not okay. It is not okay, eh? You lied to me. You told me I'm the most beautiful girl and the prince will choose me as his bride.
I didn't lie to you. I told you the pure truth.
Which truth, Mama? Which truth? Okay, if it's the truth, why didn't the prince choose me?
But he didn't choose anyone. Which means he was having a bad day. So they have to reschedule.
Wait, Mama, are you saying they're going to fix another competition?
It's obvious now. There is no way Prince wouldn't choose anyone. He is expected to pick a bride. And he must pick someone. And that person is here. That person is here. So my daughter, just calm down. The prince is all yours.
Abi,
yes,
it's all mine.
Yeah. You're beautiful, my baby.
Thank you, Mama.
Come, let's go inside. Hey, bro. Guess who is here?
Oh, Natalie.
Oh.
How are you?
You remember her?
Sure.
I'm good. How have you been?
Oh, great. I'm good. You look good.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. You look much better now.
You're not looking bad
Thank you very much.
either. Well, she said she came for an event, so I invited her over.
Oh, for real?
For real.
That's my sister. You've done well. I missed you anyway.
I've missed you too. Ah, let me give you time to catch up. Okay, be downstairs. I'll see you downstairs.
Wow.
So, how have you been?
Oh, as you can see, fine. Very fine. It's good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
Wasn't she the one that dragged the guy with you during your school days?
Yes, Mom. You remember things, so. Hey, mommy. Son shocked me. She's the one, but I mean, we reconciled when I figured out that gutter boy Ogechukwu was a womanizer. A chronic womanizer. She's my friend. I don't have choice than to, make up with her. And Hannah knows her now. Very well.
So, why did you invite her over here?
Mom, it's not like... I'm just trying to link her up with Hannah. Let me see if it's going to work out between them. I mean, being somebody he has known back in the days.
What makes you think that Hannah will suddenly develop feelings towards her? Hence, they weren't intimate then.
But they were very close back in the days now. They were very close. Mom, listen. That girl is a good girl regardless. I was thinking it's going to work out between them. That's why I invited her over. It will, trust me. I'm trying to be positive about it.
Whatever. What do I know? He's the one that will make the final decision, not me.
Pray it works.
Matchmaker.
Yeah, #1 relationship expert.
How can you two bring me so much shame and disgrace? What is my offense? Can you tell me? No, tell me, what is my offense? Mama. Ogini. Mama. Ogini. You betrayed me. How? You betrayed me, your daughter. How? Your Ada. Mama. How could you? You what? How could you, Mama? You think I did not see you? Oh, it's my froggy. Mama. I saw when you gave this girl another charm to overpower my charm. No, you think I did not see you? And how is that your business? I don't know. She wanted the prince. And I'm supporting her choice. I want her to have the prince. Do you have any problem with that? Are you not married? Do you want to marry 2 husbands when you are still very young like this? Mama. Eh? Ima no faithfulness kobo. Ima na halo. Look at who is talking. No, Mama, look at who is talking. Mama, you are aware I also want the prince. And what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to give me everything I want as the Ada of this family and not the Olo. Mama, I am the first person to suck this breast before passing it to this girl. Mama, so you're supposed to give me all the respect. I will get the prince, not that chimpanzee that I'm married to, that I call a husband. Boy, and you're telling me that I disgraced you. Mama, you fought the disgrace. But this thing you're saying, is it enough reason for you to go to the palace to disgrace your sister, expose everything she has done? Or the enough? Is it good in your eyes? Mama. That you went to the palace to fight your sister? Mama, this your daughter spoiled my chance. I know. She spoiled my chance in getting the prince. Obio Naya. Are you not a married woman? Are you not leaving your husband's house? Don't you know this is sacrilege you are committing? Leaving your husband's house to go and compete for another man? Why are you dragging the prince with me? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Look at this one. Look at yourself. You should be talking to yourself. Mama, no. Look at this. He knows to go anywhere. You go to 200. Look at you. Mama, look at this. Go back to your husband. You don't have respect. You don't have respect. You don't have respect. You don't have shame. You don't have respect. You don't have shame. Because if you have shame, if you have shame, you sit in your husband's house.
If you have shame, you sit in your husband's house. It's not fair.
Hey! Mama, come on, Mama, tell her to leave.
Mama, go back to your house.
I will deal with
Go.
her. You should talk to me.
Go.
She will
Look at you.
You shame.
There's
Nothing you will do. There's nothing you will do.
Shame on you.
Shame.
Amoge, warn your useless whore of a daughter to leave my son alone. My son already has a beautiful woman he wants to marry, and not that public toilet you call a daughter.
What did you just call me? Madam, what did you just call me? Are you mad? Who did you just call a whore? It is you, your villagers, your stupid unborn generation that are whore and public toilet. You are stupid. You are mad.
I will not have you insult me.
But you came in here. Instead of talking to me peacefully, you decided to insult my daughter before me.
Amoge, are you supporting the evil deeds your daughter is doing around this village? Are you supporting her promiscuous life?
Shut up, madam. So she should support you, Abi? She should support you. Nonsense. You are stupid. Get out of this house.
No wonder she remained incorrigible in her waywardness. She has the backing of her mother.
Ojugo, I don't know what you're talking about. But if you don't have the simple honor of talking to me or my daughter without insult, you know what? I'll advise you leave my compound.
Leave! I said go. What are you still doing?
Your daughter is having an affair with my son, Emeka. He already has a beautiful woman he wants to marry. And he's about sending that same woman away just because of your loosed daughter.
Who is loose?
Let me tell you, I will not come here again to warn your daughter
Madam,
to leave
get
my
out.
son alone.
Go!
This will be the first time and the last warning for her.
How?
Tell your daughter to leave my son alone. Leave
Your
my son alone! Leave him alone!
Your children are the whore. Your entire
Nonsense.
generation.
Nonsense.
Onya, you will not go and mind your business at home. Look at her. Mama, don't mind her. Don't mind this stupid woman. She's just blabbing. Yeah? She is lying. Don't mind that foolish woman. She's just lying, no. Onya asiri, onya la stupid woman. Mama, don't mind her, yeah?
If my fellow medical, are you ever ashamed of yourself? Look at the mess you have made of yourself in this village. People now come to me to warn you of their sons. Hey! Informer, are you even thinking about your future at all? Have you ever thought about how you're going to live this life, your life now, in the future? Have you?
Yeah, hey. Together, Mama, they calm down.
Hey! Hey!
So, how has life been treating you?
Not bad. I take every day as it comes.
I see.
How about you? How have you been doing?
Oh, well, as you can see, I'm doing good, but my life has been filled with up and downs, you know? Very, very uninterested moments, but here I am, pushing.
I see. That's nice. You know, you've become more handsome this past few years.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I can say same for you, though.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, what have you been up to? Any ringing bells? You know what I mean?
Not really, but I'm believing God soon. Soon.
Oh, that's great. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate your presence.
It's fine.
Okay, I'll be taking you to where you will have very fresh, sweet palm wine and listen to very interesting Ogene music.
Wow, you have missed palm wine so much. Let's go.
Sure. God, Dad! Get my car keys.
I've missed you though.
Same here. Yes, my prince. Give me the car keys, please. Yes, my prince. Meet me at the car.
Every girl wants to be with the prince. All of them, they want royalty.
Where is she? Shamaka! What am I hearing? Eh? What am I hearing? As a married woman, you want to go and get married to the prince. As my own wife, you want to go and get married to the prince. Are you okay? No, that. Are you okay?
Nkịta na-agbụja, ọ data na-arụ. Egwu anatụ gị wee buru ụzọ. No. Is it me you're shouting at? No, wait, Onyeka. Eh? Are you raising your voice at me? Itogo. Mba, ịṅụjugo mmiri ala. You have grown. I'm the one you're shouting at. And what was the respect?
No, I am not shouting at you. But I am just displeased. Tell me, after all the love I shower you with, the care, the attention, is this how you want to treat me? Eh? Do I deserve this?
Do you know what is love? No, I ask you, do you know exactly the meaning of love? Or you think, come on, be saying, I love you, is the meaning of love. I love you, no be I love you. Onyeka, what exactly do you offer me? No, I'm asking you. Look at me now. Do I look like a married woman? I look like somebody that is just living with the boyfriend that they are still hustling. I don't look like a married woman. You're here talking about married. What exactly do you bring to the table? Nothing.
Stop this thing now, my dear wife. Don't I try? I give you love. I give you attention. I am submissive to you. Anything that makes you happy, I am ready to do it. Is it not enough?
Anything that makes me happy, you're ready to do it. You've not started. When you're ready, to show me love, I will know that you love me. No, be here and be eating a matankama and be telling me you love me. I'll be in your father's roof and you'll be claiming you love me. If you love me, you know what to do. And don't disturb me. You see that prince? I will marry the prince. I'm not Kai uncle. Where did he get me?
But you have wronged me. You have to apologize to me. You have to apologize to me because you have wronged me.
Onyeka, you said I wronged you.
Yes.
I have to apologize to you because I wronged you. So you want apology? I shall apologize to you. I shall apologize to you. No, this is the apology. This is the apology. You're stupid. I shall apologize to you. Is that told you? Is that told you?
No, but you cannot leave me for the prince now. Please don't leave me for
I will leave you for the prince.
Please now stay with me. Don't leave me.
I should not leave you. No, you didn't man. You like better thing, but you know sabi handle better thing.
Don't I try?
Don't you try? What exactly do you try? Tell me, what are you trying? Come on, this thing you cannot suck. No, it's so big. It's bigger than the one you've been sucking.
But I still try.
You still try. I will tell you, suck. You just put your mind there. Within like mumu. You cannot suck anything. Do this one. You cannot even hold it. You'll be saying it's soft, so it's soft, so it's soft. Is that not how they?
No, sorry.
And you're here telling me you love me.
I don't want to lose you to anybody. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose.
You will lose me. You're a very stupid boy. You need to go to adult education. You don't have sense. You want no sense. You see you, if you come close to me and talk that rubbish, I'm more against you. Look at this idiot. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. If you get up,
Every girl want to marry the prince. They want to test royalty. Ah, hey, pity away. Yeah, yo. Ah.
The most beautiful girl. The ever gorgeous and charming damsel. How are you, my friend? I saw how the prince was gushing over you. I even heard he made you his bride. Ew.
Very, very stupid.
No, my dear. You are the one that is stupid here. To think that you are the most beautiful girl in this community. An ugly thing that thinks herself pretty.
Rubbish. You know, I never knew madness running your family until today.
I just think you refer to yourself. Because who fights her sister in public if she's not coming from a lineage of bad people?
What did you just say?
Let me up! Let me up!
Rubbish girl. You should have waited for me to show you madness. That madness that you think you run in our family. Fool! I would have shown you how mad we are in our family. Let me not see you in...
Every girl want to be with the prince. All of them they want to.
Bro, I can see you're catching up with Natalie.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we discussed about lots of things.
Okay.
I mean, the good old days and our NYC days, you know. She's fun to be with anyway. Yeah.
I know. I know you will like her.
Yeah, I do. And by the way, when is she leaving?
Leaving?
Mm-hmm.
She's not leaving anytime soon.
I don't understand.
I brought her here so that you can make her your bride.
Sister, you're joking again, right?
Brother, I'm so sorry. I'm not joking. Trust me. You know, since you refused to choose among the beautiful maidens in this village, I decided to bring her to you so that, you know, wife her up. You know her.
Oh well, if that is true, I will advise you ask her to leave now because I won't and I will never consider her for my bride, okay?
But you guys were really catching up a few hours ago. Like, I thought you've already accepted her as a bride.
Now, of course, we were catching up, we were talking. She's a very good friend, very good companion, like company, I mean. But talking about marriage is a no-no for me.
Why?
Because I don't feel a thing. Don't you get it?
What do you really want? Like, what do you really want? I'm disappointed in you. Oh, please.
I told you this was a bad idea, but you didn't listen to me.
Natalie, I'm so sorry. I thought him seeing you and, you know, relating with you would drag him closer to you. I'm so sorry. Please.
Same here, but I guess some things are not just meant to be.
No, just give me time. I'm going to speak with my brother and I'll get back to you.
Look, I think I need to go. I don't want to look desperate to him, please.
I understand, but just a few more days. Let me talk to him, please.
I don't think there's any point for that.
Girl, why don't you want to trust me on this?
I'll go, but if he needs me, you can call me. I'll come back. Staying here makes me look desperate and I don't like it. I need to go, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, you think you have sense?
No.
Amaka mi yena newi biaro so buru onyala. Ibe ezigboto onyala. Oh, you want me to leave you to go out? Who will save me? No! Did you bring any maid in this house? Who will be the house help? Or you don't know you're the maid?
If I don't...
You're everything.
My dear wife, if I don't work, how will I give you money?
Okay.
Please, my dear wife. Sorry, my dear wife. My dear wife, please. I am sorry, my dear wife.
Why is it that common 5,000 naira you cannot give? Common 5,000 naira.
Let me go and hustle for
Others are giving their wife money to buy Brazilian hair. You cannot give me common money.
My dear wife. No. Sorry. No.
Does she want to come and enter the table? No, you want her to come and beat me.
Oh, okay, please leave this place.
Oh, I'm Jackie Chan.
Please, my dear wife, I am sorry.
Today.
My dear wife, please. I am sorry.
Stand up! You must go and bring that money. Anyhow, anywhere you want to get the money. I don't care.
Oh, okay.
I won't. Let me go. Be going!
A woman way strong go pass a man. Yeah, this one a woman where they do like man.
Sister?
Brother?
There is something I want us to talk about.
Go ahead, brother.
Sister, I don't really understand what is going on. You came back home and saw my dear wife beating me. She was sitting on top of me, harassing me. You did not interfere. I even tried to grab your knicker to call your attention. You walked away. Is that how it is supposed to be?
If dear, that's my dear, my dear, after all the maltreatment, were you not the one that asked me to stay away from your business with your wife and mind my business? Now I'm minding my business, you're complaining. If I defend you, you will complain. If I mind my business, you
Yes, I asked you to mind your business. But I did not mean it the way you have practicalized the mind your business.
Onyekachi, what are you doing with that girl? Onyekachi, answer me now. Because it's your continue and more sense. What are you doing with that Delilah?
The truth is, I love my dear wife.
Of all the women in this village, is that irresponsible, heartless, mannerless woman, get him along? A woman that is panel beating you.
Sister, whatever it is, I love my dear wife and I expect you to support me, to defend me. See, I miss those days you used to defend me whenever she was harassing me. Help me. These days, you are just there. Do you want your only brother to die?
It's a no nonsense again. OGADI, he says TIGERESS. She not there look for trouble, but if you find and come, you go pray. OGADI, strength, no be chasing. She not there look for trouble, but if you find a trouble, you go pray. OGADI.
Mother, Ahana rejected the girl that I introduced to him. A very clean and classy girl. Please, ask him what the problem is.
But, son, I thought both of you have already gotten acquainted.
No, mother. Fact is, she is a friend. Yes, a very good friend of mine. So I had to be friendly with her. Yes, I just kept her company. That is all. No strings attached.
Can you imagine? Okay, fine. Ahana, who do you want? Because you literally rejected all the maidens presented to you. Who do you want? Let's know how to handle this. Who do you want since you don't want her?
Well, I'll make my choice at my pace. When I get the person, when I see the person, then I will present her to the people.
Son, time is of essence here. Do you understand that?
Perfectly, Father, I do understand. But at the same time, Father, with due respect, I want you people to understand that this is a very sensitive matter. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't like to be coerced into taking decision. I would prefer, rather, to be patient while I take my time to select a bride, because it is a woman that I'll be spending the rest of my life with.
If you couldn't select a maiden out of the ones that gathered last, where then do we go to look for maidens for you to choose from?
My queen, I think you are right here. Yes. Maybe I really have to invite to know. Maybe the previous time the maidens of this kingdom were not complete. You know, we should gather all the maidens in the kingdom for him to make perfect selection, whether they are qualified or they are not qualified. I want all the maidens to be made available.
I agree with you, Father. Totally. I do. As a matter of fact, maybe we'll ask Onowu to gather every one of the maidens. Even those that think they're not qualified. I would like to see all of them before I make a choice, finally.
Father, you don't have to waste your time, I promise you. I promise. You don't have to waste your time because your son here is not ready to get married. That's the truth. Adam, I have a surprise for you. You know, I told you, but you are not believing me. I told you that the prince wasn't himself. That day, you and the other maidens assembled before him. Yeah. He said that he is going to assemble all the maidens again to make his selection.
Mama, are you serious?
I'm serious.
Hey, Mama, that means all hope is not lost.
Exactly.
Jesus. Mama, this is good news.
Yes, well, now we are going to win the heart of the prince of Alupu Kingdom. Aga my teacher so that the prince will not resist your beauty.
Mama, that day, you know that Adeze has arrived. Mama, I'm so happy.
I'm so happy.
You must give me my money. Give me my money.
Oga, leave me alone. What is it?
You must give me my money.
I will shout, oh. I will shout.
You must give me my money.
Which
today.
money? Which money?
You're a criminal.
Which money? Do I know you? Which money? From where?
You don't know me.
I don't know you.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you like, shout from here to Jerusalem.
I will shout.
Shout till you are long.
I will shout.
More. If you like, make your lungs come out.
Oga, I will shout, oh. You want to rape me, Abi? You want to rape me?
You must give me my money today.
Story.
You even tell me that you even ask me to give you transport money, which I sent to you. You get mind. Block my line.
What were you expecting?
You promised me that you were going to give me something. That's something, bro. Here and there.
You will not get it.
Oh, Mama.
Old man like you with your big belly, I will not give you anything.
If you are better anyway, I'm 10,000 naira.
Before uncle.
In a water.
Nonsense.
You see one we're gonna say.
Come on, don't touch me. Come. See my style is coming. OGADI, ma, please come and save me. Come and save me from this useless man.
Leave her.
Oh, one more, come.
I say stop. Ma,
leave me alone. Hey, one more. Deal with this idiot.
Shut up.
Oga, why are you embarrassing my sister?
Hey! Ask your sister.
OGADI.
See this old man. He wants to rape me. This man wants to kill me. I don't know him.
Okay, you want to rape
from
my sister?
nowhere.
Did you ask questions? You want to rape my sister? One OGADI.
With my age and level,
Achọ me rape when hot. Shake any movie kezogu. Okay. You said that I want to rape you, yeah? That I want to rape you. Now, I call your sister. I approach her. Like Yaya or like him. When you bill 10,000 naira. You bill 10,000 naira. Well, from that 10,000 naira, she now asked me to send transport fare, which I did. Do you know what she did? She now blocked my line. I'm no more getting her again on phone. Today, I just pass. I don't drag them. See, I don't get them today. That is true.
Oh yeah, wait, Ifeoma. Ifeoma, you're just a shameless girl. OGADI is a lie. Did you take money from this man?
Okay.
For where? This is a pathetic liar. This old man,
pathetic liar.
See your tummy. You are a liar.
Liar.
Ifeoma, can you stop shouting? Adema akokwa church, ike church adrom action can they take?
Mama.
You got to go. Ntinya aro ebe everywhere melt. Oga, you are saying different things. My sister, they talk another time. Who do I believe?
Oh,
believe me now, your sister, one name came. Believe me.
Okay, let me just shock you. Can you get the shock of Ifeoma now? The receipts I used to transfer money to her. What my phone, ma?
What is it?
What my phone? I think my mama will save away.
What's what?
Yeah.
What?
If I order for ma,
This is not my
10,000. If I 10,000 naira, order them. No check is anymore.
Can you shut up? You are just a disgrace to our family.
Onyoshi.
You go again and pam mother nako. I am talking, you're making signs. Njage kete man weto onwe. Ne again and pam mother nako. Oga, you know one thing about me. OGADI na aku nezogu. I'm not on na church. She took your money and she promised you something. Collect it.
OGADI, tell her for your sister.
She not there look for trouble, but if you find and come, you go where OGADI must strengthen, no be chasing. She not there look for trouble, but if you find a trouble.
I don't feel like going.
You will go. We will go together.
The prince is not ready for marriage. He will disappoint us again.
Don't say what you don't know. Please, you will come out so that you will go together with me.
Why can't he just pick a bride and let us have peace in this community? Why is he stressing everybody because he wants to pick a bride?
I don't know. All I know is that you have to come out early, so we'll go together, please.
I have to think about it too.
Mama, I'm worried. Are you sure Chiamaka will not come and spoil things for me like she did the last time?
She would dare not. She will not dare to do it. Calm yourself. I will go and meet the priestess. So that I'll collect a heavier charm. The one that will be more potent than this one I just gave you. I want the best for you.
I like the idea, but I want the best.
Of course, the best you get.
The best is what I want.
And the best you will get. I'm here for you. I'm using every of my arsenal to come with you. You're my only hope.
Thank you.
To take me to that palace. You're my son, so.
Thank you, Mama.
Don't play with me.
Mama, could you believe today that OGADI saw me outside in danger? And she just ordered the boy to finish me, to kill me with no remorse. She left. I was calling her to come and save me. I was even hailing her as my sister to come and save me. For where she was so wicked. She said the boy should finish me and deal with me. Hey, Mama.
Are you trying to say that OGADI saw you in danger and left you to be dealt with there?
She left me there, Mama. She left me there for that boy to kill me.
OGADI, I know that you behave like a boy. I know that you dress like a boy. You refuse dressing like a woman. But I never knew that you are wicked. OGADI, when did you become this wicked that you saw your sister in danger? Happy about boy.
Which sister? Which sister? Did she tell you the business she has with the man I saw her with?
Business?
Is it not the same sister that said I should mind my business, I should leave her? She took money from a man and agreed to sleep with him. The man showed me transfer, evidence choke.
What?
Yes, because I wanted to fight for her. But I didn't know mama. When the man looked near Arugwam see what is going on, I was ashamed of this your akuna daughter. And I told her to refund the man the money. Let's go. She refused. Mama,
oh God, please say what you know. Ifeoma, say what you know. Shut up, I'm asking you a question. Ifeoma, did you collect money from a man to sleep with him?
Mama, it's not true. I did not do that. It's not true.
That is what she does for a living, oh.
She's lying.
Ifeoma, shut up the matter. Oh God, it does not lie. She can be anything, but she cannot be a liar.
So I'm the one lying.
Your daughter is a kuna. Mwaga, ome masters na kuna. PhD go na emezina. They know her in this village. What she does is money for hand, back for ground.
Mama, it's not true.
Will you shut up? So, you have graduated to the point of sleeping with men after collecting money from them?
Is it not better? It's better. She's dressing like a woman. Every time you dress like a man. Oh yeah, man, she's dressing like a man.
You will not respect.
Shut up your mouth.
Mama, it's not true now. It's not true.
Shut up!
You will not respect yourself and mind your stupid Ogene business, Sabi.
Ifeoma, if I hear one more word from you, I'll cut off that tongue. Akuna 90 mile, idiot! Akuna kobo! Hey! This girl. Why did you bring this kind of monumental disgrace to this family? Okay, na village. Is that what you're saying? Hey!
Mama, see, your brother quit him. Tell your daughter to go and refund that man or to go and give that man. Because if she refuses, any day the man catch her, they will continue the problem.
Hey, stop that nonsense.
Okay, respect yourself, oh.
Respect yourself. You can't defend yourself. Say that you did not do it.
But I've been telling Mama that not do it.
Shut up, you are lying.
I'm a saint. I didn't do anything, oh.
You are a saint.
Oh.
You sent.
Nobody has touched me, oh. Serious, nobody has touched me in this village. I'm very, very responsible.
Ifeoma, you are a disgrace. I'm tired.
Idiot!
Fair pardon.
Jamaka, come here. Where are you going to? Eh? Don't tell me you are going to that palace again to compete with other women so you can be chosen by the prince as his own wife. This is an abomination. Don't you know? See. You are not going to that palace. Do you hear me?
Are you shouting at me? Are you shouting at me? No, you've grown. Iwaga Jobi. Iwaga Jafonu. You can now talk to me because you feel you have beers.
No.
Right?
No.
Who gave you that right?
My dear wife, what I am trying to say is, you cannot do this to me. Don't I do everything for you? Anything you ask me to do, I do it for you. Yet you are going to embarrass me. You are embarrassing me. You are embarrassing the family. You are insulting me. Stop this thing.
I am insulting you. First of all, where you go that Tanya Diginaya? Where part Tanya Diginaya? Look at this one. Oh, you call yourself a man. You're not a man. You're nothing but a what? A fulefu, Ibo, Anompama.
It is only for you.
Only for me?
Yes.
Kina Buropo. Oh, you're stupid. You see that palace? I will go there. Hey! I will dance. I will shake my bum bum. The prince will press it. By the time he's done, I will make sure he marry me. And if you stop me, come.
Come. Can I tell you something? Don't go. Don't go. Anything you ask me to do, I don't want to lose you. I usually tell you, let me go out and make money for you. You say I should stay at home and wash your pants and take care of you. I do it. If you ask me to go out, I will still go out and do it for you. Anything for you. That is the love I have for you. Yes. Wait, let me carry something on your body. Sorry. But don't go.
I should not go.
Please.
I am going there. You cannot stop me. You see, you cannot stop. If you try to stop me, Onyeka, you will not like me. Oh.
Come now. No.
Why are you dragging me like that? Today is my happy day.
Wait, let me tell you something. Wait, my dear wife. You want to borrow wig? Or what is this?
Why are you shouting? No, you want to tell everybody I borrowed wig. You want to tell everybody I borrowed wig?
Sorry.
Is that what you want?
Sorry.
So you want to tell everybody I borrowed wig to go to the palace?
No, that's
Are you Charine? You come to go.
No, sorry.
You're very
sister, please. Come now, come. I am talking. Please, now listen to me first. Listen now. My wife is about to commit the biggest abomination and you are leaving. What kind of a sister is this? I am a...
No. No, you're police.
No.
No, you're police, Eliza. What do you think she will do to me?
As family.
No, she will come and stop me from going to go and marry my prince.
No, I am...
For this, for calling your police, Eliza, to come and stop me today.
No.
If you dare follow me, I wish I skin you alive.
No, please now. Come back now. Come, please. Oh, don't take this thing outside. Don't take this thing now. You are shaking it too. Why are you shaking it?
Every girl want to be with the prince.
My dear wife, please. My dear wife, this is very wrong. Why are you going to the palace to go and seek for the prince? Am I not enough for you?
You're very stupid.
My dear wife.
You're very, very stupid.
My dear wife, stop this thing.
Which
This
one
is very
that
bad.
you're enough? Enough for what? No, enough for what? You think it's by being a fine boy makes you enough. You're very stupid.
My dear wife, who did you borrow this wig from? I have been asking you this question. Let us go back home. Oh. This is not fair.
So wait, you want to announce to everybody that I borrowed wig?
Nobody's listening to us.
You want to announce to everybody that I borrowed wig?
Sorry.
Are you stupid? You say this wig, I borrowed it to get the attention of the prince. And there is nothing you can do to stop me.
Sorry, no. Let's go back home now. My dear wife, please. This is very wrong. This is very wrong now.
Are you shouting?
I am not shouting, but let us go back home.
No, you're shouting.
Something is on your neck. Let me...
What is on my neck?
Sorry.
Have you removed it?
Yes. Let us go back home, my dear Lord.
Wait. Oh yeah. Go back to the house. What is the meaning of this? On what can I say, hey, see, can you not pee wake? I will slap you. See, stay away from me. I am going to the palace because I want the prince to marry me. Let me go out of this your miserable family. Stay away from me. Ogadima, don't touch me.
No, are you talking to me?
Don't talk to my sister.
Don't talk to my sister now. What is it now?
You're stupid.
My dear wife,
it's your bad luck that is following me up and down. Ogadima, problem no sir.
Leave my sister.
Ogadima, problem no sir.
No nonsense girl. He says Tigeress. She not there look for trouble. But if you find and come, you go pere. No goddamn my strength. No be chasing. She not there look for trouble. But if you find a trouble, you go pere. No goddamn man I feel no kill we. This one a woman, we strong go pass a man. No, yeah. This one a woman, where they do like man. No,
Hey. Madam Tigere.
So where do you think you're going?
And who are you urchins to stop me?
Guinea, you called us urchins? How dare you?
Anyways, I will ask again. Where do you think you're going? Answer.
Well, for your information, I'm going to the palace. And it's none of your business.
It is our business. Because the prince is meant to take either of us and not you.
Yes. Wait. So you girls think that the handsome prince of this kingdom will settle for riffraffs like you? Have you ever looked at yourself? You girls look horrible.
Where did you borrow this wig from?
Oh my dear, I got it.
Borrow. It's a lie. It's a lie. You borrowed it.
Hey, come back here.
Come back here. Come on. Remove the wig. You beat that very well. Beat that.
I want my prince. I want my prince. Leave me alone. Oh. I want my prince. Oh.
God!
Leave me. I want my prince.
God!
Leave me alone. My prince.
What is happening here? Control.
I want my prince.
Control the situation.
I want my prince. There is no peace on the wicked. There is no peace on the wicked. OGADI man shireke wo go. Onyala.
Hi, OGADI, my friend. Let us see where sits the wind. What is the surprise, my prince?
Father, the king of this kingdom. Mother, the queen of our kingdom.
OGADI, my friend!
I hereby present the winner of this dance competition and my bride to be.
My people, the full moon is my glow, dominant and open to my kingdom. Today your king the king of our local kingdom is happy.
Son, what was the meaning of that nonsense you did out there now? What do you mean by that?
What that means is that I have chosen my bride.
I don't get it. What did you just say?
I will explain better, mother. The point I'm trying to make is, I have found a bride and the lady I introduced to you. Yes, the very one I presented to you. I mean, I was just taking a look at her. Her boldness was so outstanding. Yes, and I love the way she admonished the married woman that was involved in the competition. I mean, she's my choice.
Anna, stop it. You're joking, right?
Who's joking?
No, you're joking. Tell us you're joking. Stop it.
I'm not joking. Read my lips. I have found my bride. She is my bride-to-be.
Who is your bride-to-be?
The same lady I presented to mother.
No, Hannah, you must be very drunk. No, you must be drunk to think you bring that tomboy into this house.
Mother, can you see your son?
Son, did you take a good look at that maiden before you picked her out from other maidens? Did you take a good look at her? She doesn't even look like a girl. Who doesn't know her in this our village, even in the entire kingdom?
A tomboy, mother. A tomboy as a bride? Never. Ahana, blink twice if you want to come out of the closet. Do you understand me? You will not bring shame and disgrace to this household. What do you mean? What is going on with you?
And what's wrong with you? Now you watch your tongue, okay? It's none of your business.
What?
Son. Did you say that the young girl in question is your choice?
Yes, Father. You asked me to pick my choice, and I did. She is my choice for the bride.
And you've made up your mind to marry her?
100%, Father. Yes.
Then nothing is stopping you.
What?
Go ahead and marry her.
What?
Thank you.
Father, what are you saying?
OGADI is a no-nonsense girl. OGADI ma is a tigeress. She not there look for trouble, but if you find and come, you go pere. OGADI ma strength no be chase. She not there look for trouble, but if you find her trouble, you go pere.
My daughter, I am sorry. It was an unexpected tragedy.
Mama, be calm, Maka. Mama, you deceived me. You betrayed me.
No. I didn't know that the prince has gone mad. I have always known that something is wrong with him, but I didn't know it has gotten worse. I am sorry.
You're sorry? Is that what you're going to tell me you're sorry? You're sorry that your own daughter was disgraced and humiliated? Despite my makeup, my beauty, the prince didn't even take a second look at me. He just walked past. And he just went ahead to pick that useless and nonsense tomboy. Mama, just leave
that is why I say that prince is not all right upstairs, please. It is very much unexpected. And I am very sure his people will revisit his decision so that they will call him to order. Please, my daughter, is that why you are upset with your mother? I am sorry, Nugo.
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm angry. I just don't want to.
Woman, where they do like man, no.
Look at me. Who will believe that royalty will look for me and come inside my home? In this village, who in this kingdom, who will believe that of all the coffee girls in this village, all the big boss girls in this village, is OGADI man that the prince found worthy? I don't like this thing you're doing.
What are you saying? No. What are you saying? OGADI, when charm is working. This is the handwork of charm.
Very stupid.
We know it's charm that is working. You cannot lie.
You are very, very stupid. This is very, very stupid.
Charm that she used.
Wait, it's not enemy.
Yes, you heard me.
Just walk out, man. Just walk out, man.
You think I did not know when you put the charm in that cap that you were holding? The priest was looking at my breast. His eyes were on me. Immediately he saw your cap. He started looking at you. Think I don't know?
Because you are able to conjure juju and put my brother inside bottle, you think everybody's like you. It's those people that are doing juju. They are first to say juju charm, juju charm.
Shamaka is saying the truth. What? Who will even marry a woman like you that dresses like you? You don't. Wait, are you even a man or a woman? Are you a man or a woman? Who are you? Look at the way you are dressed with your shoe, with your stupid ogene music. You are here blabbing.
Before my too.
Yes.
Your sister.
Onye kama kola monu. Onye kama kola monu. Onye kama. Negodu. You with 1 billion body count. I'm talking, you are talking. You that do prostitution for a living. Neko. Iman nambo chassis. Then what I but see about his saw. You know, cake on. Hey, ida fools of one touch. I am so beautiful.
And that's why the prince chose you. That's why the prince
Mama, enough of this excitement. I am not interested in the prince. I am not interested in marriage. I'm not interested.
What?
I don't want to marry.
Ogadima, you are not interested in the prince. You are not interested in marriage. I say, it's boy. Ogadima, this is not a story as usual. You are going to get married to the prince. Look at you. Other girls in this village are craving this opportunity. And it is here with you. And you don't want to marry the prince?
Mama, marriage is not by force. Obroma can always get involved. If you go to your go peri. Marriage is not by force. I am not interested. Is it not by love?
You know that Ogadima is pretending. Who doesn't want to marry the prince? She's only pretending, pretender. Think we don't know. Mama, leave her. I don't know why you're forcing this girl to marry the prince. I am the one that is supposed to marry the prince. I am the one. Let me just share my milkshake. I will marry the prince.
Look at this girl.
Why are you begging her? The pretender does the worst.
Chila. I will marry the prince. They would have banished you from this village.
I am telling you,
married woman talking about you have not returned bride price. You are in your husband's house in front of your mother-in-law. You tolerate too much from Okempe.
What will I do to
this
her?
This Okempe you brought in the name of wife, but that's none of my business now. God forbid, so that's your own.
Hey,
back to the matter at hand. More about OGADI, I'm not interested.
Hey.
Yes, and I've made my point. And that is joy.
Ogadima, come back here. Ogadima, please come back here. This is not like you refusing to dress like a woman. Come back here. This is marriage you are talking about. You will marry the prince. You must marry him. You must have shut up.
Okay, if you don't want to marry the prince, tell the prince to come and marry me. Let me marry him on your behalf. Yeah?
Marry you on her. Ogadima will marry the prince.
Mama,
I don't understand.
You are giving me a lot of insults in this house. So, me that want to marry the prince, you people will not push me to go marry the prince.
This is very stupid.
This your girl that is Aguna, and that's your daughter that is nothing but a married woman. Is the one that want to marry the prince.
Come back. I am taking enough from you. You are married to my son. You want to go and marry the prince. What do you want?
It's you that I call a fool.
Yeah, but I
don't I didn't see it coming. My dear, you wouldn't have expected it. It all came to us as a shock.
Amarachi, I am talking about the charm. If I had known that idiot would resort cheating a charm on us, I would have gotten mine.
Same here. I hate cheating.
That girl's really cheated on us. But we'll make her suffer so bad. Don't worry.
How do we do that? It is already late. The prince has made his choice of a bride. So where do we start from?
Nothing is late yet. We need a plan. That girl will not use charm to swindle us and go scot-free. We'll make her suffer so bad.
After all the old dance, I was dancing as if my life depended on. Oh, hi.
Amarachi, wait now. Nothing is late.
Wait what now? Did you see the way I was dancing? Dancing as if my life depended on me.
Amarachi, wait. We need a plan. Come here.
Your Majesty, I can't believe you are supporting the prince to go ahead and marry that useless tomboy. Huh? How can you do something like that?
Ahanna has made his choice.
What stupid and dumb choice is that? Is he insane? Has he lost it? Upon all the beautiful maidens in this our community, Obulo Aburoko Garagane choose tomboy, the next queen of this our community that's supposed to be packaged, classic. Obulo Anofia. I want to rock one more. He has lost it.
My queen, I wouldn't want you to do anything that'll stop this boy from getting married. You know our reason. He is supposed to be the heir apparent to the throne after me.
And so what? Is that the reason he should pick anything from anywhere to marry? Eh? Or from all the beautiful maidens in our community here?
Severally have I spoken to him, and severally did he say that he has made his choice. The only thing we have to do right now is to support it. Let us support his choice.
Sorry. It's okay.
Let us support him.
I will not pretend about that. I don't like that. I am not happy about his choice of a bride. I don't like it at all.
So angry. What nonsense. This useless charm failed. Hey, all the old strength, the old work, the old... Oh. Mama, don't tell me to calm down. The nonsense juju you got from that useless priestess failed woefully, Mama. It failed.
Can you calm down? People can hear you.
Mama, I don't care if people can hear me or not. They still failed me, Mama.
Calm down. I don't know what happened. Because I don't understand it either. Does that mean I've been swindled or what?
No! It means that OGADI got a better charm than yours. That is what it means, Mama. She got a better charm. I don't know where you went to get this nonsense from.
Oh. See, Wakego, I am sorry about this whole thing. Who would have thought the Ogene girl will resort to charms? Because us getting this charm was, I thought it was to our advantage.
Mama, it appears that some people are thinking same direction that you were thinking. And it also shows that she got a better charm than this nonsense you got from the princess.
No, nobody can beat her.
Don't, Mama, don't tell me that, because don't tell me sorry. Don't just tell me sorry, because sorry will not solve this. How can a tomboy, Mama, tomboy? Look at me now, a tomboy. Mama, what you should be telling me now is how to deal with that girl. How to make her pay for challenging me. Ego Ibo.
I'm sorry.
No, Mama, stop telling me so. That sorry you're telling me is annoying. Mama, please stop. I don't want to hear sorry. Because the sorry you're telling me is annoying me the more. What do I do to make that girl pay?
No, maybe she got a spiritual charm. It's my fault.
What is that spiritual charm? Why can't you get a better one now? Why do you have to go and get this nonsense? Why do you have to get this rubbish from the so-called priestess? Mama, I'm tired. Just think of something.
I don't know.
Which one is you don't know?
I don't know now.
God, a tomboy.
Okay, maybe you didn't shake it well.
I didn't shake what, Mama?
Can you know? Just slap me or what?
Oh.
Ahana, what is wrong with you? Why do you want to make mockery of this household? No, why do you want to bring shame to this palace? Listen, if it's a joke, Biko, Kosiya, stop it because it's getting out of hand. What is it?
You know what? Chidimma, I mean, I don't know what your problem is. Why are you so bothered over my choice of bride? Are you the one that's going to get married to her or myself?
The fact that you want to marry her into this household is my problem. She does not befit royalty. Don't you see? She's a pig, an animal that goes around fighting.
No, really?
She's not even a woman, of course.
I'll choose my choice, okay? It's too late now. There is nothing, absolutely nothing you are going to say or do that will make me change my mind.
Why are you suddenly behaving like a moron?
I will not have this.
I will speak to you anyhow I want. What is wrong with you? What is it?
Get out of my room.
Look at you. No.
Get out of my room right now.
Of course I will leave your room. Look at you. They brought in maidens, beautiful maidens in this kingdom for you to choose, but you couldn't. I even brought Natalie, a very classy girl. What did you do? You went for that tomboy, a dirty pig. You should be ashamed of yourself. Of course I will leave your room. Excuse me. Rubbish.
Every girl want to be with the prince. All of them, they want royalty. I hate.
I said, come here.
Sorry.
I'll measure. Oh, you're running. No. I said, come. Oh, yeah, lie down.
Where?
my dear wife.
Oh.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
No.
Are you next time, I tell you something. Don't do it.
Sorry.
One thing that you're doing. Sorry. Don't rest. You cannot stop.
Sorry.
Today.
Next time I will make you come. I will make you come tomorrow.
Oh, you're making this come tomorrow.
I will make you come.
You're making. I think that day I want to come tomorrow. Did I tell you my August will be up tomorrow?
Sorry.
My prince, good evening, sir. Greetings, my prince. Hey, I'm fine, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'm here to say greetings, my prince. Greetings.
You're choosing bride who?
The one that dances Ogene.
Oh, my prince, that is my sister. OGADI. She just left the house not long ago.
name?
Yes, her name is
OGADI.
Yes.
Oh, I
My
see.
prince, you don't even know the name of your choosing bride. That means the charm, the juju she used on you is working.
Are you talking to me?
Ha, my prince. No, sir. Talk.
Are you okay?
Very okay, sir.
My prince, like I said, she left the house not long ago.
Why are you lying? Why are you lying? You cannot tell him the truth. My prince, please don't mind this boy. This boy is nothing but oh. He doesn't have sense. You see the OGADI man you're looking for, they rushed her to where they are taking care of mad people. You know, this crisis started though, epilepsy.
My prince, please don't listen to her. That is a lie.
Are you saying I'm lying? No, you're lying against me because the prince is
We're
here.
in front of the prince. Will you just calm
He's here drugging me.
Hold on. What
No,
did
you're
I hear you say?
challenging me.
Epilepsy.
Yes.
Is he epileptic?
No, my prince.
Are you mad? Allow me to stop. Are you stupid? No, you're talking now because the prince is here. Are you stupid? My prince, you don't know what is akoko. Akoko. Ojide go do yegi. You na dey adokwa ma o. Ona dey gbegbegbegbe na shake. Gbegbegbegbe ka mo sa na ebu akoko. Yes.
He's okay. When she returns, tell her that I said she should come to the palace.
Okay, my prince, I will.
Okay.
I'll take my leave.
I will,
Okay, my prince.
Thank you.
Yeah. My prince. Let me tell you, actually, I used to.
All of them, they want royalty.
By the time I'm done with my prince, let me give you some.
Every girl want to marry the prince. They want to test royalty. Hey, pity away. Yeah, yo.
Mother, he's your son. You need to talk some senses into him. He should not bring shame and disgrace to this family. Now tell me, why is he settling down for a tomboy? A tomboy! Oh, is he gay? Yeah, he should come out of the closet. Let's know how to handle it.
Honestly, I'm in shock as well. I don't know why he would make such a choice. Why?
Agwe, you sent for me.
Oh no, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Princess. Mike, when you called me.
Yes, I did. And thanks for honoring my call.
Thank you, my friend.
Oh no. Something has been bothering us.
And what is that?
My son's choice of a bride. Honestly, I suspected that girl, the Ogene girl, used a charm on my son so that she would be picked out of the crowd.
My friend, I suspect suspected the use of charm too. Because that girl is the least girl I was expecting my prince to choose as a bride.
Oh, may the gods be praised. So we think alike. Which means that something is fishy somewhere. I want you to make an inquiry from the SMO. Let him check to know whether we are right, or let him prove us wrong.
Yes, I will do that immediately. In fact, let me start doing that right now.
It's okay.
Yes. Let me start going. Yes, I suspected so as well.
May the gods help her. If that girl used charm on my son, it will be better for her if she does not.
Nna, ihe nke a na-agba m ara ahụ. See me see Prince now, by what one, as what? I don't understand why he would choose me of all those girls there.
Are you not supposed to be happy? Listen, you have to give the prince a chance. So you have to give the prince a chance.
I'm not interested in the prince or marriage for now. The only thing I want to do now is to make sure I move my Ogene group to the next level.
I know you're not interested. But come to think of it, since the prince chose you by himself without being forced or influenced by anybody, I am thinking it's God's time for you to get married.
No, that God's time is not good with my own timing too. Yes. They say God will grant you your heart desire. God knows they give person waiting in no one's. I know. Bros, I'm not ready for marriage. You never see me they sing, carry me, they go my husband's house. Have you ever seen me singing or praying for husband? I try them for now, later in future. Hey.
You know God does not give you what you want. He gives you what you need. Listen, I know your dream is to carry this Ogene group to the next level. That is our dream too. But then getting married to the prince will not stop all of this. And it will only enhance it.
You are not a serious woman.
OGADI, I am serious. You see, in this matter, I am very serious. We have been friends for a long time now. Why would I deceive you? Marry the prince. It will even help us. This Ogene group, it will help us, make us achieve all our goals faster. I won't lie to you now. I go lie for you.
How is your sister?
OGADI. Meet my parents. The king and queen of our kingdom. And my sister, Chidimma.
Nedalo. Greetings, my king. Greetings, my queen. Kudochia na palasa.
My daughter, my favorite Ogene girl. I recognize you.
Sorry.
You're welcome.
Going further, permit me to introduce the one after my heart. My chosen bride.
What?
Yes, she is the one I have decided and chosen to be my bride.
Excuse me, you are joking. Of all the beautiful maidens in this community, this is who you choose. For what? A tomboy. For real.
What is wrong with her?